gentlemen, welcome back to Carolina Recon. Today we're taking the 6x6 out. We were going to take the Can-Am out, but the Can-Am's battery's dead, which it's been weak lately. It needed to be replaced. I just don't think it has the right cold cranking amps. So anyways, we're getting a new battery for it, and today's New Year, so everyone was closed. But we got the 6x6. We're going in the hole. Y'all know the hole, the one that stopped everything. The 500, the 300, the 350, the 840 Can-Am. Nothing has ever went through it. I think I floated the 300 through it once with the water was high. So let's hope we can actually make it today with this. I don't know. We're gonna see. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna slap in a GoPro and I will see you at the hole, and let's cross our fingers we can make it. I think she will though. She's a bad mamma jamma. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see what we got today. I think the old goal's gonna make it, but we never know. It's always a toss-up with this hole. I don't think I've ever really made it other than the time I was able to kind of float the 300 through it, but since the Can-Am dug it out a couple weeks ago, I don't know if she's gonna make it or not. But we're gonna test our luck today and see what happens. Well, ladies and gentlemen, somebody's hunting at that hole, so we gotta skip it for now. We'll come back. This video ain't gonna end before we go in the hole, but we're gonna go in this hole first, and that's probably gonna stop for today, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow because somebody's hunting there, and we don't wanna mess them up. It's the last day of the hunting season. Hunting season ends tonight. So we're gonna go in this hole right here, and maybe we'll get some good footage. Hopefully we don't get stuck. Let's see what happens. Oh no, it broke something. What broke? Oh, the gearbox. The inside of the gearbox broke. Well, that was fun. I guess that gear did not handle it very well. But it's fun to watch. Well, we broke the gearbox, but I wonder if that gearbox has been jumping, because luckily I got a complete rebuild for the other one, so it's not the end of the world. She is not happy. Now I'm in trouble tonight.
One hour later.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, something broke free on the transfer case. So let's go ahead. I'll drop you a little montage. Got my GoPro, putting time lapse, and we'll pull this thing out, pull it out, pull it off, pull it together, and see what we can find. Looks like we shielded this in clean off. Here it is. You see it. Shield it off. It come. Luckily we got a spare, so let me go ahead and get the parts from that. Okay, we got it all back together, but here's the piece that broke. As you can see, it went clean off. It goes in there. And then, I don't know where I did the other end. Anyways, the other end goes up there. It just snapped it clean off. That might be the weak point. I don't know. It it looks like a clean snap to me. So that might be the weak point of this thing. Let's hope not. Let's hope this is just a fluke and it was just weak over time. But we put the whole thing back together. Now we got to throw it in now. Let's hope that everything goes in as easy as it came out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got it back together. I can say without a doubt, this design worked really good. It literally just took the bolts off, the whole thing came right out. I think we might have a little too much angle there. I think that's why it broke, but I'm really gonna try again. If it breaks there again, then I think we'll have to kind of move it a little bit because it has an angle, which mostly because of the back, we didn't want to cut it off and shorten it, but we might have to. But hey, you know what? It was really easy to get out. I could do this quicker than the axle. Anyways, I guess I'll see y'all in a couple days when we take it back in the mud and try this hole out. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's been not 1, but 2 weeks since we did this video. And I've been swamped at work. I've been working on other people's foilers. I'm thinking about starting a second channel of just repair videos because I feel like putting them up here, they never do good. They do good in the long run, but I'm like, that's really taking my channel down a little bit. So I'm trying to stick to more mud and more off-road stuff. I'm thinking of other things to do other than just mud because people say it's getting boring. But today we were going through the hole. The other day I told y'all we were going through here, but we had to stop because people are hunting. That was the last day of hunting season. Hunting season's over. I think duck season's still here. You can't tell, it has done nothing but rain since then. Oh my God, I think we're gonna do a Can-Am versus Honda video maybe tomorrow, which will be, you know, next week, because I'm leaving from Florida next Sunday. So this weekend and next weekend I gotta go ahead and push. So let's set the GoPro up. I don't know how bad this, I don't know if the sun's in my way like it was last time or not. I think we'll just put it on our head for now. If it does really good and we don't get stuck, then maybe we'll do an outside view. So let me go ahead and slap the GoPro on and I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I hope GoPro's set up right. I don't really have a lot of time to mess with it like normal. Let's make sure we tighten this thing up. So the biggest thing is trying to get in here and then turn, and let's hope we don't get stuck. Here's a video of last time we went through here. Look how deep this is getting. Come on, baby. Come on. Yeah, we barely ever make it. We get stuck every time. I take the Honda 300, I floated it through it one time. But other than that, nothing has ever made it through it, and I just broke this thing and fixed it. So let's hope that she holds together really good today, because I don't have anybody to call if I get stuck. We're gonna have to hopefully float it back out if we get stuck. We're gonna go slow and easy though. There is a lot of water, so that does help the Honda. Hondas like to float, as we know. Holy crap. Look at her go, come on baby. Okay, yeah, the 6x6 is doing amazing. Until this moment, I did not know if this thing was better or worse than any other machine, but the Rancho 350 on these Outlaws couldn't make it. Honda 300 had to float through here with me off of it. Can-Am couldn't make it. The 500 Forman, the 520 Rubicon, nothing could make it. And this thing just floats through there. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, let's do it again. Come on, baby. Lean, lean, lean. The GoPro makes this, the GoPro makes it look like we ain't doing nothing. That's one problem with the GoPro. People are like, you're not leaning, you're not rocking. It's like, I'm rocking the crap. But this thing has that stabilization, so it doesn't show it as much, which is good, because if not, the whole camera will be like, la, 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 all the time. Whoa. Oh no, we broke through it the first time. And now we're just going, come on, baby. Probably should have come through here a second time. Now we broke the silk and everything at the bottom. But I ain't worried about it. She'll make it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. See? Look at her go. Just a chugging. If we could get that other tire right there on that other side to go, I bet we wouldn't even slow down right there on that hill. I mean, come on, look at that. barely even chugged. Oh, man, just look at the gunk we have to go through down here. Ladies and gentlemen, just look at this marvelous thing. I mean, nothing else has made it. Y'all seen the videos. I don't know. I'll try to put all 3 videos in this, so that way y'all can see all 3 of them, but the other 2, I would have to screen record, so it won't be that great. So y'all can't talk crap about 6x6 anymore. I can't talk crap about 6x6. Well, we're going to the woods. Hello, woods. We can't talk about how bad it steals, though. Ah! Don't hit me, you stupid trees. Bad tree. Ow, and it hit me back. I have to play with this thing. I love this 6x6 so much right now. And look how deep it is. Come on, baby. Hey, buddy, it's not that deep. Well, it's literally over my gas tank, but the front end's floating slightly, and that's why it doesn't look so bad. Gotta be careful with that root. Really hope that the shaft there that broke on the transfer case was a fluke. But I do have another one. It's already came in, and if it breaks, I'm gonna order another one. I need to go ahead and order another one now. I want to have a spare, but if something happens this time, I'm gonna try to get another one made out of a billet or hardened. It's actually the shaft that goes in the transfer case. The one towards the engine broke, and the gears inside, I looked at them when I took it apart. They are never gonna break. They are tough. So we're gonna go ahead, and if it breaks again, we're gonna get one made. So that's why we gotta make sure we test this thing out good. Where's the stump? Where's the stump? Oh, there's the stump. There's the stump. How many stumps is in here? And it's, whoa. This thing's literally just splashing me in the face now. Let's see what this is like. I want to go ahead and check this out. See, this is the hill we used to climb, and it just got too steep, so we couldn't climb it anymore. Seems pretty hard. Yeah, I mean, it's fairly hard. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Oh, crap. I'm going to get stuck out here. So, yeah, we're going to try that tomorrow. So if you want to see this thing going through this hole, see if this is a lot thicker now, I think, because we ain't been through it so long. Last time we went through it, there was no water. So what it does is the mud starts hardening like cement, and you just can't make it through. We have really weird mud. Too many people drive in places where the mud is like very watery and they have a hard bottom. There's no bottom. That's why once we got there, we got that silk stuff out of the way, and it was oval. Anyways, let me drive home, because I think that's all we got time for. I was just rushing to go ahead and get this thing back out. I've been busy working on a Grizzly 350 that did not want to work. It wasn't its fault. It's just faulty brand new parts I bought. They're faulty, and you can't exactly test it. It's weird. Back it up. Beep, 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 beep. Tray, tray, tray. I hope you liked this video. I know it took a very long time for me to record, and who knows how, I don't even know the beginning of this video anymore because it's been so long. But anyways, it broke, we fixed it. It seems to be doing good now. We'll have to see. I don't know, maybe thick muds is kryptonite and it's gonna break that shaft each time. If it does, we can get one hardened and fix it, hopefully. If not, we'll get one built. I know somebody will build us one. Anyways, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. What is something we need to do with this thing other than the bed? I keep getting comments about the bed. Yes, the bed is on its way as soon as it works good, because I'm not gonna put in the bed and have to walk underneath of it. So anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one.